Operant conditioning is the learning of a voluntary behavior followed by a reward or punishment. For example, she learned to go over the hurdles by getting a reward afterward. Extrinsic motivation is the desire to perform a task for a promised reward or punishment. She learned twisting because she knew she would get a reward of being held or taken out of the aquarium. Acquisition is when you first associate a behavior with a reward. Naomi associated putting the ball in the hoop with a treat. Operant chamber is B.F. Skinner's experiment where Naomi pushes a pedal and receives a reward. Extinction is when voluntary behaviors stop when a consequence is removed. For example, Naomi stopped pushing the bar because she didn't get a sugar pellet right away. Fixed ratio is a reinforcement schedule that reinforces a response only after a specified number of responses. For example, if she pushes a bar 5 times, she will receive 1 sugar pellet. Classical conditioning is the learning of a reflex or emotion to something that meant nothing, such as associating a clicker with food. Unconditioned stimulus is the thing or event that causes an automatic or innate reflex or emotion. This was food. Unconditioned response is an unlearned response, reflex, or emotion. The response was salivation. Conditioned stimulus is the thing or event one learns to respond to. The stimulus was the clicker. Conditioned response is the learned automatic or involuntary reflex or emotion to a stimulus. The response was salivation. Shaping is the step-by-step gradual rewarding of behavior. We rewarded Naomi as she learned step-by-step to push the marble.
Yes, that was a good one.
Good girl. Cognitive map is a mental representation of the layout of one's environment. The maze was mapped in Naomi's head in order for her to complete it successfully. Discrimination is the various voluntary behaviors associated with differentiated stimuli. Naomi knew the differences between our hand motions for jumping and twisting. Neutral stimulus is the thing or event that meant nothing at first, does not cause an automatic reaction. At first, the basketball meant nothing to Naomi, but when she saw it, she knew.
Out of the town.
I like him.
Aaron, if you cut, I'm going to write you up. I know you can hear me. Wash your hands.